Here we are inside Cubbon Park. This is Karnataka Government Secretariat Club. They keep cleaning regularly. So this is the biggest park in the, I don't know, maybe in the state of Karnataka or at least in Bengaluru. So many people. It's very big. So many people will be there, and get ready for breathtaking views. Yes, I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating. And here is the proof. Waiting? Wait. Waiting? Yes. See, people doing all sorts of things. Here, skating. There, somebody is playing football. See, all sorts of people from all sorts of ages, all states, all the places, from all over the world. Oh, sorry. What is this? They have not sticked that. These are real flowers. They are literally looking like somebody glued to them. Beautiful. And this is one of the park, not the only one. Just look at this. Such a beautiful day. There is one guy doing yoga, and there are people who are doing stretching, father and son. So many things are happening around. And look at this beautiful tree. Such a beautiful day. Sorry, I'm using the word beautiful so many times because it is. Even the small guy is as beautiful as those pink flowers. And what about the tree? I forgot. Oh my God! It may be host of or a nest of at least 100 birds, just like another apartment, isn't it? Such a beautiful tree. Oh, very big. And let me take you to one of the interesting places. Very interesting for dog lovers. Get ready. Again, be on your toes. As you can see, so many cyclists. They will give cycle for rent. So many people will come and take it for rent for 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever, how much ever you want. And there will be so many, literally, so many marathons happens every other week. And each marathon will have thousands of people, not hundreds. That thousands also, it goes sometimes to more than 30,000-40,000. And look at that. She's afraid, but look at that, she's cute. So this is only just a couple. We are entering the special dog park. So this is only dedicated for dogs. So, let me show you. There will be literally hundreds of dogs. Again, look at them. Look at them. They'll leave them. They will enjoy themselves. They'll untag. Look at that. One more puppy. The people will keep coming. So many dogs they'll bring. All sorts of dogs you can see. So many varieties. Look at that. Sometimes what happens, the small dog will chase away the big dog. That literally looks very funny. And these are puppies. I don't know why they bought puppies. Nice. Looks like twins. Yeah, what happens now? This puppy will chase away this big dog. That's what happens. I think still people didn't come because it is very cold. So we'll try to find something other interesting. Let's move on. So here is a batch of people running. You will see. I don't know. This is looking like literally marathon. So many people are coming. And this is, by the way, the library, the central library of Karnataka. It doesn't look like library, right? But it is library. So very beautiful. As you can see, says library, and in front is rose plantation. I think they have cut it. When I came last couple of months, I am coming, but I think maybe recently they have cut them off to grow further better. What is this tree and what is this fruit? Looking interesting. So let's move on. By the way, cycling is allowed only from 8 am. Walking people, they can come maybe 6 am if I am not wrong, but cycling is allowed from 8 am only. So if you come early, you have to park it outside and do a couple of walking rounds, and then you can bring your cycle inside. Beautiful, beautiful weather. So many people taking their puppies, as you can see. Look at that. Very cute. People, kids, dogs, animals, everything. All sorts of things. How about that? The view, the road, the trees. Beautiful. Oh my god, there are at least 100-200 people are running here. Oh, look at these little champions. So many. So, this is how our library looks like from the opposite way. Beautifully located. And this park is so huge that if I start showing you each and every part of it, it will be even more longer than Mahabharata or Ramayana. Yes, believe me, it's very huge, humongous. Even till now, I am coming from 3-4 months, I have not covered it fully. Yes, it is that much huge, very big.
Bye.
Look at him, man. He is literally trained, it seems. Hi guys. Hello. Do some trick. Can you do something?
No, I haven't taught her.
Oh, that's fine.
She's been puppy, right?
That's good. So how much she can grow further?
Yeah, that's the maximum.
Oh, this is the maximum. Oh my god. Cute. Look at this guy. Hey, why you bought a foxy? That's a good. Literally look like a fox. Here is our regular dog. This is the place where most of the stand-up comedy guys, right? They will practice here. So that guy will be standing below the arch and people will sit here. They will be doing some trials if they want to practice, or maybe if they want to see whether their jokes are working or not. So this is the place where they will try. And look at this tree. Oh, it's in a straight line. Very straight line. Nice. And weather is at its best. You can see multi-sports. Badminton, skating, cycling, walking, jogging, running, dogs, comedy show, sometimes even singing, even instruments play. We will go to that place also. Just keep focused to this video. We are entering one of the beautiful junction. Generally here there is a water fountain. Today they have not turned it on. This is where last time one flower show happened. This is a very beautiful view. This is where the fountain used to be. You can see multiple roads. This is one road and this is another road. And this is the tennis, tennis courts. There are, I think, at least 2 courts minimum. And this is a tennis stadium actually. Instead of courts, this is a tennis stadium where even best players will come and practice. It says something happened. You can see Karnataka State Lawn Tennis Association. I think something happened or maybe going to happen. The greatest show on the court. World Tennis League. Oh, this is World Tennis League. This is good. So, and another circle we are entering. Here is where most of the cultural activities will happen. I told, right? Singing, instruments. You can see that brown color. This is the circle. There is another road here. There are so many roads. This is where the cultural programs will be happening. Behind that is the High Court of Karnataka. Some beautiful monuments. Again, if you go inside, this itself is another half kilometer. So many roads, literally. Look at that, very big park. As I said, if I sit and make detailed video, it will go forever. And we are coming towards children play area, children park, where there are multiple rides. You can bring your kid. After 10:30 it will open. There are multiple rides. This you can see, right? In any apartment or any play area will be there. Ups, downs, climbing, swings, slides, everything will be there. Not only that, even train rides. Yeah, I think if I'm not wrong, even water boats are also there. So you can see so many of them. This is also big park. It says disabled friendly park built by Mindtree Foundation. So you can see this is the entrance. So there are so many entrances to the park. Again, if I start covering the entrances itself, it will go for half an hour. That is, it's having so many entrances from all directions. There's one entrance from our most famous Chinnaswamy Stadium, another from MG. See, there are so many cycles, literally. Oh. Oh my god, I have not seen these many cycles. Let me show you, because I am on a cycle. So you can see how many cycles. Oh, from there till here in multiple rows. I think this is some storage or dump yard, or not dump yard, storage yard to keep the new cycles. Maybe they are planning to do something, some activity or some cycling marathon. Probable, possible. You can see this side there is some mountain kind of thing is there. So everywhere people keep running. It's very difficult to take video. Our little hero. So, it's very huge. This side itself is very huge. You can see some family having some fun time. Then you can bring you cannot bring food. That is another important thing. Somebody is climbing the mountain. You cannot bring your food inside. Whatever you want, you have to eat outside and come. So because they want to keep it rodent free park, because some people bring it, throw it, right? So many rodents, rats, all other sorts of insects will come. So that's why there's no food is allowed. So be aware of it. So I think this has given you some details, some information. I'm going to show one of the best views that I like in the park. So this is what maybe most of the people are not aware, or maybe they have not seen, but this is the best view I feel the park that offers. How about that? The three lions, as we have seen earlier, that Vidhana Sauda. So the tip of that Vidhana Sauda, we can see it from Cubbon Park. It's right next to it. This is the view. Beautiful view. This is my most favorite view spot. Simple. Just look at that. Eagles flying around. It makes it even more beautiful, right? Such a beautiful view. As you can see, I'm on my foot to show some of the beautiful places. I cannot take you on cycle. So again, just next to library, these birds. Oh. The lawn itself is very beautiful, and these trees, look at them, very beautiful. I think these are nut shells or nut fruits. So many. This is, I don't know what is this. This is having fruits as well. That is interesting. Okay, I don't know what tree it is. You can name it if you know. There are a couple of guys doing reels here. You can see. And this beautiful tree, I think it lost some of its charm. Last week it is having full pink flowers. And the sun is out fully. Feels good. And this is maintained perfectly, 100% picture perfect way. Everything is good. So this guy is warning them. You are not supposed to do all these things. And look at this, how perfectly these were cut out. Very nice. All sorts of things, all sorts of people, everybody coming and relaxing, having fun. And this guy, he literally amazes me every time I see him. He's having anything, nothing, right? Literally. Zero leaves, zero flowers, but he is the beautiful guy. Literally, he's the most beautiful guy I have seen. Just look at him. And his sibling, on the other way, he's having a couple of flowers. No leaves, but there are flowers. That is interesting. Beautiful, beautiful view. See, look at his tree. You don't need to be so flashy to be beautiful. This literally proves that. Such a beautiful weather. So we came on a good day. Looks like they are celebrating Santa Wow, wow, 2025. Something special for dogs. You can see the decorations. Christmas. It's happening. So many dogs. And, so many things are happening around. They are getting ready for the fest or something for dogs special. Look at that. Because of that, maybe generally it used to be houseful by this time. So the program goes till afternoon itself. That's why people are coming slowly late. Look at it. Couple of more friends joining in. Everybody's properly clean. If you are a dog lover, this is the place where you should visit. If you are in Bangalore, literally you should come at least one Sunday. Look at them. Oh, so many. They are flowing in now. Some arrangements going on. It's going to be jam-packed soon. This is again another beautiful part of the park. Just look at that. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. Pleasant, literally pleasant. It will make your day or take your day to next level. So there is so much part of it. Like if you walk around, it literally takes your full day. One day is almost not enough. If you are planning to come, you can plan properly and come peacefully. Don't have some other appointments or engagements. So literally it will take your one full day. Somebody is playing, I don't know what do you call the name. They throw that plate, right? Sun is just out, literally beautiful. You can walk almost, see, so many ways. 1, 2, 3. Again, I came back 4. Full green, all sorts of trees. Look at this, guys. Beautifully. This tree is dead, but still it is in use by this tree. Beautiful. So nothing is waste in life, right? So some or other way we'll try to use. Same with this guy. This tree is gone. I don't know what happened, but literally it is helping the other tree to grow. Same with this guy. So many, but these are in good condition. So see how far. If I zoom, you cannot even see so far. Far. So there are so many ways. You can just come, relax. The birds will be chirping around. That's the only noise you can hear. Beautiful, isn't it? How about this way? Literally beautiful. Running race going on. Look at them, cute. Out of nowhere.